Thank you for watching our video on how to add network maps to PRTG in 20 minutes. Paessler, also known as PRTG, is a robust and trusted network monitoring solution. It provides over 250 sensors that you can place on any device in your network. UVexplorer is an automated network map discovery tool and is a strategic technology alliance partner with PRTG. As a technology partner, UVexplorer improves PRTG by placing maps and device data directly into the PRTG dashboard. The first step to add network maps to PRTG is to install and set up UVexplorer on the same server as PRTG. Once installed, add the PRTG credentials to UVexplorer. The server URL is the web address of your PRTG dashboard, and the pass hash is found in PRTG under Setup, Account Settings, My Account. Copy and paste the pass hash into UVexplorer. You do not need to enter a service API key. Click Test to test the PRTG connection. If the connection is successful, you are ready to export to PRTG. If the connection fails, you may need to check firewall settings, restart PRTG, or contact our support team. Save the settings and select Close. To test your connection to PRTG, right-click the empty space on the map, select Export and export to PRTG map. This export will only export the map into the map section of PRTG. In the Export Map to PRTG window, select the PRTG credentials, rename the map to UVexplorer, and uncheck the Create Ping Sensor option. Then click Export. When the export is finished, select the Close button and go to your PRTG dashboard. In PRTG, go to the Map section. If the integration is working, the UVexplorer map should be listed. If it is not, please contact our support team. The UVexplorer map will now be shown in the PRTG Map Designer. You can edit the map with all of PRTG's icons. To export your network maps and data into PRTG, go back to UVexplorer and select Export. There are 3 PRTG export options. The first, Export to PRTG, will recreate the PRTG groups and devices in PRTG. We recommend this export for new PRTG users, and if you want UVexplorer to be the discovery source. The second is Export to PRTG map. We've already completed this export. And the third is Export to PRTG data only. This export will keep your PRTG groups intact and will only add the map, device information, and undiscovered devices to PRTG. For current PRTG users with a fully implemented PRTG, we recommend this option. UVexplorer will now open the export window, select the PRTG credentials, and select Export. The PRTG export can also be automated with the scheduled UVexplorer discoveries. The PRTG dashboard will now include the UVX map and Reports tab. Select a device group and then click the UVX map tab. The UVexplorer map will now be displayed in the PRTG dashboard. The halos are PRTG sensor statuses overlaid on the devices. The UVexplorer Reports tab will display the connectivity, inventory, and other reports from UVexplorer. Thank you for watching this video on how to integrate UVexplorer and PRTG in 20 minutes. You can find out more information on PRTG and UVexplorer at uvexplorer.com.